Flyer, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again. For the same thing as last evening, you only call us when we're sleeping. And your address has been implanted in my brain and still remains with the sounds of sirens. How many times have we been called? 10,000 times, maybe more. And there's one thing I can guarantee: they never call us for emergencies, using the system like it's their own concierge, and they don't care. Here comes the sounds of sirens. They will request, but I say no. No lights and sirens when we go. Hear my words that I might teach you. If we're awake, then that means you are too. But my words have fallen upon deaf ears. What echoes in their halls by sirens, and your neighbors all will wake 'cause of all the noise we make. In the streets they will start swarming. Outside your house a crowd is forming, and they'll start spreading rumors 'cause they won't know the cause. HIPAA laws. Here comes the sound of sirens.
Right.